Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Muhiullah and I am here today to show my projects. The projects it's about Alzheimer disease classifications. I built a machine learning project to identify the Alzheimer diseases. As today the date is 4th of May 2025. Still, we do not have any treatment for Alzheimer disease, but early detection can makes their life easier for Alzheimer patients. So let's start. There is my notebook file by which I have developed the model, and I got almost 90% accuracy. I have tried different models and I have got different accuracy. Then my next step was I have to develop a web application so that I can implement my model. So I am using Flask, and I have developed a app. So now I am running my applications. Okay, give me some times. Okay, everything is ready. This is the web interface of my applications, where I can input a patient's name like Saiful Islam, and I have to naturally put the ages 35. Then BMI 25, physical activities skill 1 to 10. I have put 6, sleep quality 4, the BP 120, 100. 20, 0 to 30, 25, ADL score is 6. So then the work will, then I have submitted the accessories here. In the backend, my model will work. Okay, there is a problem with 50. Now I can show a report. My patient name is Saiful Islam, and my model predict Saiful Islam doesn't have any Alzheimer's, so this gives a negative report, and confidence level is 76%. And the best part of my project is I have made the project like a hospital. So in hospital we got report, so I have implemented a print report option. If I click the print report, then a report will generate. Let me show you. This is my report, where every details here: the patient name, the assessment date, time, then the assessment result, all the parameters. So that's all about the projects. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.